Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the best investing, trading, and money management channel on YouTube. I am your host Carter, and I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. In today's video, we're going to be posting the top stocks under $20. The reason why I love making these videos is because some of these stocks carry so much potential, and it would be just a no-brainer to just take a little bit of your money, 1, 2, 5% of your portfolio, and put it into some of these stocks that carry a lot of risk, but also a lot of reward. Because at the end of the day, we all want to make this. We all want to make that money, and you have to be willing to risk some money to make money, right? So starting off with stock number one, this is definitely more of a conservative pick. This is Ford Motor Company. Ford is and always probably will create some sort of transportation in the future. Ford is hopping on this bandwagon of the electric vehicle sector, and you guys can see the absolute growth is crazy, right? Lows here at almost $4, highs here at almost $17. It's sold off now to about $15. I think that will probably get a little more sell-off back down to about $13. And I think this would be a good one to hop in at. Ford has the new Mustang that just came out, and they are absolutely killing it with sales. They have the new Bronco coming out. They have the new Ford Lightning. They have the new Ford truck, the Maverick. And the Maverick is one of the only trucks that size on the market. Yes, other car companies are coming out with it in the next 2 years, but Ford is hoping that they can have these trucks out by fall, which is definitely going to help out this company a lot. The only thing that is diluting Ford is their long-term debt, but overall, companies carry long-term debt all the time. I think that if they can start paying that off, that would be a really, really positive thing here. Stock number two is Flex, right? This company creates electronic parts, and you guys can see, just look at the overall growth. Very similar to Ford. You know, lows here at $5.36. The huge buying pressure came up, hit $20, sold off down to about $17. Now, me personally, I like this buy right now because if we draw out this trend, you guys can see that it is on a nice upward trend. It's sold off a little bit, which brings a little opportunity to buy in on a discount. So I think that buy in, hold it for the next couple of years and see where it goes. This one definitely does carry a little more risk, but still a lot of reward. There's a lot of huge investors behind them, which is really good. And look at the past couple of earnings reports. Pretty solid earnings, right? So moving on. Stock number three is JetBlue. So with the overall, with the lockdowns going away and everything like that, people are starting to travel. Okay, I think that with JetBlue coming out, they're going to have great revenues. The only thing that did happen is they did have to take on a little more long-term debt to get through 2020. You guys can see 2020 was not really good for this company. It was trading at 21. It sold off all the way down to 6, but it did get a lot of buying pressure coming into this, right? So it does look pretty decent here. We'll probably get some support step in at around 16. But overall, if you guys want to invest in a solid company for airways and travel, I do think that probably the best one is Delta. It's a little more expensive, but it's just a better company. And you guys can see before the whole lockdown, it had a nice upward trend, sold off, got huge buying pressure, hit that resistance, broke out of it, and is now using it as support. So this one is probably a little better, but overall it's a little more expensive. So, dollar cost average this one until you get that first share. So moving on, probably my favorite pick out of all of these stocks is this one. This is Planet 13. Planet 13 is a cannabis company based out of Las Vegas, Nevada. They have multiple other places in works, one in California, I believe one in Colorado. So this company's growing at an extremely fast rate. Their revenue grew over 46% and is continuing to grow. The only downside right now of Planet 13 is legalization. Not all states are legal for cannabis, and I think that is the only thing that is really hurting this company. But With the president in office, he is more likely to legalize more states. So I think that this would be a solid investment to hold for the next couple of years. This chart is amazing. The company's pretty great, and I can't wait to see where this one goes here in the future. Now, the last and final pick for the top pick under $20 is PRTS. Look at the absolute powerhouse. This is the second favorite one here. This is carparts.com. Now, this company is growing at such a fast rate, right? Look at the growth right here from $1 and pretty much, let's just say $1.50 all the way up to $23 in less than a year, right? So I think that this is such a huge amount of people that are looking for this. And the beautiful part about this, we're still on an upward trend, okay? Look at these. So the next major resistance is going to be at 26. That's going to be the next trend line resistance. So I think that we'll definitely see that starting to come in effect just with the overall growth of this company. I think that they have good margins, huge customer base. I think that this is just another no-brainer investment for under $20. You cannot go wrong with that, guys. So these were the top picks under $20. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And overall, I hope you guys got something of value out of this video. And we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, guys. Stay positive and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone.